Next, let's focus on blockchain address. For example, let's say we generated the private key and public key for person A. Then the string for person A's public key will be this long string. This is the string that I showed in my previous lecture, and we can use this string as person A's blockchain address. And if person B also has a public key, we can send cryptocurrency to person B's public key. But this string is quite long. Right now, this string is 2 lines long. We could put this public key into our transaction, and we could enter this information for both the recipient and sender, but that will mean we'll be dealing with a lot of information. That means that the amount of data that will be handled in our blockchain node will increase. So what do? The shorter the amount of data, the better. What we'll do is follow these steps here, and then end up with a shorter version of the public key address. This is what we should aim for, and in addition, we want to follow the secure coding practices. Here we have ECDSA and SHA-256, so algorithms with security considerations. Our goal is to create a string that's short and secure. The shorter and more secure the code is, the better. With all that being said, from now we want to take this long public key and make it into a shorter string. The rules pertaining to this is mentioned in the right here, which is a wiki page on technical background of version 1 Bitcoin addresses. There's this long section on how to create a Bitcoin address. And after following all these steps, we'll end up with this Bitcoin address format. What's written here on this wiki is what I have listed here to the left. If you look at the steps here, it mentions SHA-256 and also RIPE MD160. And if I talk and get into the details of each and every one of these steps, it's going to take a very long time, and we'll be going into too much detail about security, which is a specialized field. So in this course, our goal is to create the shortened version of the public key address by simply following these rules. We'll think of these 9 steps as rules. And from now in our next lecture, we'll be generating our Bitcoin address.